Welcome to Everyday English. Hello students. In today's video, we'll learn 20 phrasal verbs with the verb away. These everyday expressions will help you understand and use English more effectively.
Improve your English speaking. Wash away. To remove or carry away by the action of water. The rain washed away the dirt on the sidewalk. Cut away. To remove by cutting, often used in the context of surgery. The surgeon had to cut away the damaged tissue. Eat away. To consume gradually or corrode over time. Rust was eating away at the metal fence. Put away. To tidy up and store things in their proper places. After dinner, I put away the dishes in the cupboard. Scare away. To cause someone or something to flee due to fear. The loud noise scared away the birds from the tree. Brush away. To remove something by brushing, often used for dust or tears. She brushed away the crumbs from the table. Run away. To escape from a situation or place quickly. The dog ran away when I opened the gate. Take away. To remove or carry something from one place to another. I ordered pizza for takeaway because I didn't want to dine in. Blow away. To be impressed or astonished by something. The performance by the band blew away the audience. Drive away. To cause something to leave or go away by driving a vehicle. She used her car horn to drive away the birds from her garden. Fade away. To gradually disappear or become less noticeable. The memories of that summer slowly faded away over time. Give away. To provide something for free or reveal a secret. They gave away free samples of their new product at the store. Slip away. To leave quietly or discreetly. He slipped away from the party without saying goodbye. Walk away. To leave a situation or conversation without further involvement. I decided to walk away from the argument to avoid a fight. Throw away. To discard or dispose of something. Don't throw away those old books. You can donate them. Turn away. To refuse entry or deny access to someone. The bouncer turned away people who didn't have ID. Tuck away. To store or hide something in a safe or inconspicuous place. He tucked away his savings in a secret bank account. Work away. To continue working steadily. She worked away at her desk until late in the evening. Give oneself away. To unintentionally reveal something about oneself. Her nervous laughter gave herself away during the interview. Stay away. To avoid or keep a distance from someone or something. Due to the contagious illness, it's best to stay away from crowded places. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep practicing your English and see you in the next video.